I'm Dave Reinders, and I live in Castaic, California. I had a client that had gotten solar panels on, and they were very pleased with the guy that came out to see them, and so on their recommendation I gave Barry a call. When I met with Barry, I could tell he had a lot of experience and he really knew what he was talking about, and I just had confidence that it would be a quality job. Also, it was a finer product than the other company I'd talked to, and there was good follow-through all the way through until the job was done, so I always felt very, very comfortable working with them. Well, the biggest advantage is I'm not going to get any more $700 or $800 electric bills, which I'm really looking forward to. The capacity of the panels was greater than the others, and that's why I knew it was a superior product. And in fact, after we made the original agreement, Barry found a panel that even had more capacity than the one we had previously discussed. So all in all, I feel like we're getting real state-of-the-art technology. I mean, with a 25-year warranty, the odds are that, you know, it's going to be there probably longer than I'll own the house, and it'll be a value to whoever buys it, and they'll probably be able to maintain it for as long as they'd want to buy it as well. They were very easy to work with. They were very competent. They knew their things, and they did exactly what they said they would do. And everybody that I dealt with was very experienced and very impressive.